Okay, so let's check your work. Again, we're just going to do the side to side, up and down and back. Now, number 3 looks a little bit different. We have 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. And you can only see 1, 2, 3, 4. But keep in mind, are these 4 boxes floating in air? Or are they sitting on one that's invisible to us up underneath there? It is sitting on a box that we cannot see, so we have to remember to count that one as well. So the up and down here is really not 4, but the up and down here is really 5. So now we'll multiply 5 times 5 times 3. 5 times 5 is 25. Cross that off and bring down the times 3. 25 is like quarters. If I have 3 quarters, then I have 75. So my answer here is 75 units cubed. Let's go to number 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3. This one's a little bit easier than number 3. 3 wasn't hard, but if you didn't remember to count that invisible box, you may have gotten that one wrong. Okay, so now we're going to say 3 times 7 times 5. So 3 times 7 times 5. 3 times 7 is 21. Bring down the times 5, and I'll work that out on the side. 21 times 5, I get 5 and then 10. So my answer here is 105 units cubed. Right, now let's go down to number 5. Number 5 is a lot like number 3. So if you need to stop and change your work, pause the video before you check it. Make sure you actually get the right answer this time. So we have 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 that we can see. We know they're not floating in the air. There's one hidden box up underneath there. So 2 that we can see plus the 1 invisible box gives us the up and down of 3. So I'll multiply 3 times 6 times 2. I can go ahead and see that we have, this is going to be 18 times 2, which is not a multiplication fact that I know. But I do know that 6 times 2 is 12. Cross that off, bring down the 3 times. Now I have 3 times 12, 36 units cubed. Now if you want some extra practice on these, you can go ahead and keep working 6, 7, and 8. And then you can message me and I will check your work with you to make sure you got the right answers. Great job.